Hi guys, it's Mr. PKT and MCJ here today. I've got a video of these Aussie animals. So for the series that I've been doing it in my backyard. So alright, let's get started. I'll just open up these, see what we get. Okay, so that's what we've got there. We have a royal spoonbill, a suburb lionbird, a mountain pigman possum, and a long-nosed pootroo. Right, that's the first one. Alright, so it looks like all of these I've got no new ones. I've got the leaf-tailed gecko, green and golden bell frog, grey-headed flying fox, and the pajama nudbranch. Alright, 2 more to go.
No.
Okay.
There's one just do over there. No, you don't. There's more over there.
So here we go. Here's the new one. I haven't got the freshwater crocodile, so that's a new one. But I've got the sulphur crested cockatoo, common wombat, and a broad-headed snake. Lucky last. Let's see if we can pull anything good in. Okay, there's all that there. I have the king parrot, eastern water dragon, eastern blue-tongued lizard, and the Australian sea lion. Okay, so that's the video for today. Hope you liked it. I'm going to do more of them. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and bye.